Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Envato Elements template kit showing it blank on import. So I'm quickly going to show you what I'm talking about. So here I already have an Envato Elements kit installed. So let's go into any of the kit and try to bring in a page. Okay, so when we click on insert template, you discover that it just bounced back and it doesn't import in what we asked for. If you try it again, you see that it just bounced back and nothing happened. So for you to fix that, you need to go back to your Elementor and go to your settings. So in your settings, you need to come here to features and you need to turn on especially Flexbox, or let me just say container. So turn on this container, very important. Then if there are any other thing you might need, for example, if you need nested elements, you can turn this on. Elements caching, okay. So make sure container is turned on, that's the most important of them, and click save. So when you click on save, you now need to go back to what you are doing, then refresh. So when we refresh the page, let's go ahead and try it again to see. So let's just try and bring in this. So you can see here that now it's working. So very important, if you are trying to import in an Elementor template and you discover that it's not working, make sure you go to your settings and turn on container. Turn this on. So turning this on allows you to bring in stuff supported by Flexbox and Grid container elements. Thank you.